Schlage Encode Smart WiFi Deadbolt with Camelot trim and aged bronze, BE489W Cam 716. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to lock-unlock from anywhere, no additional accessories required. Pair with the Schlage Home app or Key by Amazon app to create and manage up to 100 access codes for trusted friends and family for recurring, temporary or permanent access. Works with Alexa. Check the status of your lock and lock-unlock your door. In addition, Alexa will let you know when your battery is running low or set up smart reorders through Amazon-replenishment, so you always have replacement batteries when needed. Fingerprint-resistant, capacitive touchscreen with easy one-touch locking. Optional voice control offers hands-free convenience when using voice-enabled products. Built-in alarm technology senses potential security breaches at the lock, while the low battery indicator offers advanced warning for battery replacement. Easy to install with just a screwdriver. Unique snap end-state technology snaps the deadbolt onto the door, so both hands are free during installation. Guaranteed to fit standard doors. Comes with limited lifetime mechanical finish and 3-year electronics warranty. Valid only on ships from and sold by Amazon.com or Build.com purchases. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.